Hi there, welcome back to Car Mechanics TV and welcome to our new project car, a 2014 Mark II Nissan Qashqai. Launched in late 2013, the second generation Nissan Qashqai, codenamed J11, was the successor to the original model, a car which, along with the Toyota RAV4, revolutionised the SUV sector and stole sales from traditional hatchbacks. The Mark II Qashqai was bigger and more luxurious than the Mark I, and built in Nissan Sunderland plant amongst other locations, was the fastest UK built car to sell 500,000 units. Early cars are now becoming affordable second hand. We picked up this 2014 car for £5,600 to find out what you need to look out for when buying this ubiquitous family wagon. So Martin, talk us through, what have we bought and why have we bought it?
Well, we bought a 1.2 petrol version. The 1.2 came out with the second generation car. A lot of people bought them, and there's a lot of things going wrong with them at the moment.
Oh blimey, is there anything wrong with this one that we know of?
I don't think so. This one drives. I drove it home from the car auctions.
Oh, a good sign, always a good sign.
Yeah, about 45 miles, and it was okay. It was, the clutch is okay, and it pulls okay. There's a couple of bodywork dings, car part locks, but apart from that, really, it's pretty good. Everything seems to be working. There has been reports of the radio sat nav going down on early cars, but this one seems to be working. And
what's the plan with this then? Is it just to kind of see what can go wrong with them?
Yeah, I mean the engine does have issues, especially the early cars. This is an early car, as I said, and they do have issues with sticking piston rings, which can then cause it to drink oil, and the oil consumption goes down very quickly and writes the engines off. I think Nissan have replaced certain engines under warranty.
That's not going to be cheap, is it?
No. I think what happened was Nissan gave a 5-year warranty on cars that were probably 2015, 16 onwards. They gave a warranty if you had a full service history. They'd give you a 5-year warranty rather than a 3-year warranty on the engine, only on the 1.2s, I believe.
So obviously they got a bit bigger with the second generation, so you got a bigger boot. Isn't it right? Haven't these got a slightly tricked boot on them as well?
They're basically much bigger than the first generation car.
That is massive, to be fair. That's genuinely quite. And tailgate, that goes up really high.
Yes, I think that was the issue with the first generation car. You were banging your head on the tailgate, so they made it much better. How tall are you?
I'm 6'1", with boots on, so the every extra inch helps there. And yeah, genuinely, you can stand under that in the rain. That's genuinely really useful. And there's no signs, there's nothing, sort of, even all the trim in here hasn't been knocked about, there's no dogs been carried in it, hasn't been down the tip, it doesn't look like. So it doesn't look like it's led too hard of a life. And no accident history or anything like that?
No, not at all. This one's done 62,000 miles.
That's not too bad for a 7-year-old car.
So this is the Acenta premium car model, which comes with the panoramic roof.
Very nice.
And the sat-nav standard.
Oh, nice, a few nice bits and pieces.
And a reversing camera, you'll see, is under there.
Oh, we've got a camera as well. Oh, blimey, yeah. Nice.
The first generation did have all those bits. If you had for the N-Tech model on the first generation, you would have got sat-nav, you would have got reversing camera, you would have got the pan roof. But the sat-nav's just a little bit better in this car.
No, I think we've done it right to be here. And these are at the age now where sort of the earlier ones, you can start to pick them up fairly cheap. The prices are coming down.
Yeah, you can. You can pick really early ones up because they came out into late 2006. And you can buy generation ones for quite a lot of money. In fact, so really, you could step into the second generation for the same sort of money, really.
And there's a lot more car, yeah.
Which is what we did. This one cost us £5,600.
That's not bad for what it is, to be fair.
For a 7-year-old car, 2 owners.
Yeah, that's really good. So good spec, good condition, and got it for a good price.
I think so, yeah.
I think it's a good sign because, like you say, these are at a right stage now where you can start to pick them up for a decent price. So we want to know what you need to look out for. And what do you need to look out for? So there you go. If you want to know more about the Qashqai and what to look for with this Mark II, keep an eye on Car Mechanics magazine for more updates on this lovely beastie. Catch you again soon.